This recovery is going to hinge on a recovery from the fear of the virus. That fear is fed partly by the unknown. There are so many unknowns. The governor's plan that he has put forth in bits and pieces has not given clear metrics, not given clear data points, not given clear decision points on when and what would be involved in the recovery. Business people particularly need to have timelines. They need to know. People in general need to have some understanding of when life will get back to normal. Is it this week, next month, sometime in the summer? That unknown really is the undergirding of the fear that there is in the community right now. We need to know what the recovery plan is, what are the decision points, what are the metrics, what are we measuring, what makes the recovery. I want to tell you that from a disease standpoint, we're making great progress on that recovery. We need now to have businesses open up and go back to work, employ people. We can use the guidelines that have been given. And I think businesses are very willing to do that, anxious to do that even. That will help quell the fear when people see that they have a plan, there is a time, things are starting to operate. There is a new normal. We have to make some accommodations, but there are things happening that will quell the fear. I think managing risk is going to be key in success of the recovery. Business people manage risk all the time. That's part of the business. That's part of being successful. You must be able to manage risk. I've listened to 4 of the recovery town halls that have been held in the last week. Been very impressed with the businessmen and ladies that when asked or offer what their recovery plan is, they are following guidelines. They are prepared to wear masks and disinfect surfaces, to social distance, to direct traffic through their business that minimizes contact. And I think that will help the public to understand that it is safe. Listen, many of these small businesses have family involved in the operation. And so these businesses are wanting very much to protect their family, to protect their employees, as well as protecting their customers. And they understand that if there is a general fear in the consumer public, that the comeback's going to be slow. So I think there is a very dedicated effort on many businesses to see that we are open, we are taking precautions. We're going to ask you to take precautions when you come into our business for our mutual safety. Please come in and let's do business.